Hey guys, Nick here. Today I'm going to go over creating SVG files to work with your Cricut, CNC, laser, embroidery, and other machines. First thing we need to do is find a file that we can convert. I normally look for a JPEG file with well-defined lines. When I say well-defined, I mean something like a coloring page. It needs to have clear lines. Color gradients and grayscales will not work. I'm going to search cat SVG and see what we get. Let's see. So what we're looking for is a file that's well defined, like these ones here. You can see the lines clearly. Then we've got something like this where it's kind of hard to see. This probably isn't going to convert well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this one. What you're going to do is you're going to right click it and you're going to save image as, and I usually just save it into my downloads. So you'll see it pop up down here if you're using Chrome. So once we've selected the one that we like, we still may need to edit this a little bit, but this one looks okay. I'll probably go over that in another video. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload it to the conversion website. I have a few of them that I like, but my two favorites are going to be Convertio and Vector Magic. I use those ones most often. But mostly I use Vector Magic for color SVGs that I'm going to use for my embroidery machine, or sometimes it's just good to have a couple options. So now that we've done that, I typically find Convertio by typing in JPEG to SVG Convertio. And this very first one that comes up is the one that I usually go to. And you'll see this page. Convertio's free if you're just doing a handful of them a day. But if you're going to be doing, like 15 or 20 a day, something like that, you would definitely want to purchase what they have, because it'll allow you to do that many, because I think you get blocked off after a while. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to drag the download file into here. And you'll see the name pop up over here, which is the same that I had down here. And go ahead and go to convert. It should take just a moment for it to pop up. And you'll see you can do faster conversion. You can do multiple too if you sign up for the paid. I pay for Vector Magic. I haven't ever paid for this. But I definitely will at some point, because I'm sure I'm going to be converting more than one file at a time at some point. So we're going to go ahead and download that. You'll see it pops up down here on the bottom. So if you just select this, you'll see that the SVG pops up. It looks pretty good. I don't see too many errors on here. Once you've done this, you should be able to load this into your Cricut Studio, Carbide Create, Lightburn, or whatever machining software that you have. So go nuts, have fun, and make sure to comment and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.